In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink GCash to any website. If you've ever paid for an app, game, or service using GCash through your Android device, those connections often live inside your Google Play account as active subscriptions. The quickest way to stop future charges and effectively unlink those services is to manage them from the Play Store. I'll walk you through each screen and share a few helpful tips along the way. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your Android phone. Make sure you're connected to the internet and that the Play Store is up to date so the menus look as described here. Once the app is open, look to the top right corner and tap your profile icon. This is the small picture or initial that opens your account settings. If you don't see it, give the app a second to load or close and reopen the Play Store. From your account menu, choose Payments and Subscriptions. This is the hub where Google keeps your payment methods and all recurring charges tied to your Google account. Inside that screen, tap Subscriptions. You'll now see a list of apps, games, and websites that are currently set to bill you through Google Play. If you've ever chosen GCash for one of these, this is where you can break that link. Open each subscription you no longer want connected to your GCash. Look for options like Manage, Cancel Subscription, or Update. To stop future charges and unlink effectively, select Cancel Subscription and follow the prompts. Google Play may ask for a reason, show you what you'll lose access to, and then ask you to confirm. Accept the confirmation to finish. If you prefer to keep the subscription but stop using GCash for it, some services also let you change the payment method from this screen. However, the most reliable way to end the link is to cancel the subscription entirely, then resubscribe later with a different payment method if needed. Repeat this process for every app or website listed that you don't want tied to GCash. Take a moment to scroll to the bottom. Some older or paused subscriptions may appear there as well. When you're done, you should receive confirmation notices from Google Play for each cancelled item. Keep those for your records and monitor your GCash activity to confirm there are no further charges. That's it. By opening the Play Store, tapping your profile, going into Payments and Subscriptions, and managing everything under subscriptions, you can unlink GCash from apps and websites that bill you through Google Play.